In the name of God, in the name of who without doubt is capable and voice, welcome to our own channel. I hope all of you will be and find our slogan is secrets finder. Welcome the 10th episode of Learn AutoCAD and welcome the third part of the Start with project. If you are remembering, in the previous session, we just completed all of our doors and how we can draw the doors. And if you see here, we have a dining room, hall, one bathroom, one washroom, one toilet, one kitchen, and you know the dimension. And in here also we have a living room. In here we have a stair, and this bathroom is attached with the hall. And also, so in here, if you see, we don't have anything in here. In here just is actually now I can delete this because in here we don't have anything. Terrain, and also we can trim, and then you can edit this. In this episode I want to actually talk about that how we can set our windows. If you come in here, we have the dimension of the windows 3000 and 1700. In here we don't have this 1700 because it work in it's actually about the height, and is it we can work with this in a 3D, not now. And you know that weight of the windows set it on weight of the doors also set it according to the weight of the or thickness of the wall. But in here just we need in a if you remember in the door also we couldn't consider the height, just we talk about the length because today we have work with the length. In here also just we consider these things. The window 1 is a 3000. So where is a window 1? We start in here how we can draw. First of all, you have to find the center. Okay, there is your center. So the window 1 is how much? 3000. We have to get the 3000. Now if you come in here, 3000 it means 1500 this side, 1500 is this side. So we can delete again this. So we have actually we have to go into layer of the window. Then not now. In this episode we set all our windows. So 1500 this side. As I told you in the previous session, previous episode, and also I'm saying it's not a standard. It's just the details of this project. Okay, that you have a good idea how you can set the dimension. So 1500. And then we have also 1500 in this side. That it becomes total how much? It's actually not. So we can get in here also 1500. We can actually not work with a standard dimension because we don't have any standard dimension. So in here also you have to get the 1500. Then up to here. So now you have to delete this. You have to have in here, and in here we have to get our layer window in here, and we have in here. Then by multiplying also we can draw, and also we can draw. It must be distant from here up to here. It must be 11. Okay, so we can come with 11. It means 110, or we can set it into 110. And then we have to get a offset of also one. We have to get a offset of also 110. In here we can draw this again. There was a mistake. Offset of 110. No, it must come in this side. Okay, you know. So we can draw a line in here, and then in here now come offset. We have to draw a line in here. Then we have to give the offset with the window. Then in here, this is in here you have to get the window. So what we can match properties. By going match properties, select your source object and select that object that you want to change it. Now you can get also offset of 8 centimeter. This is 11, and here between two lines it must be 8 centimeter. So it means 80 millimeter. Now it's your window. It's called also window 1, and then also we have a window 1. Actually in here also we have a window 1 in here. Okay, so you have to find this is your center. Then you have to 1500. In here we can change. You have to go up to 1500, and in here also you have to go up to 1500. Then you have to come in your window, or then you can get match properties this, and also you have to come in here and then this. Then you have to get a offset of 110. In here also we can draw a line. Comes up to in here. Then offset of 110, enter, change your layer. So, and then offset also 80. Then you can do it match properties, source object and object that you want to change it, and also you can delete this. And then in here actually we have window 2. Okay, it's our window 1. We can change it into the block by V enter in one object. Window, for example, we get name window, and then so now in here also we have windows 2. We can set another window in here also, and window 2 must be 2300. So we can get in here. So you have to divide 2300 into 2. It become 1150. So then in line we have. So how we can point the center M2P just in here up to in here. In here we have a center. Then we have to draw a line in here. Then you have to do the offset, or in offset we have to determine our dimension 1500. Okay, we have in here, and also we have 1500 in this side, and you can do the same procedure. So we done it is a 3000 and is a 2300. Then what we have in then Windows 1, where we have Windows 1, then Windows 1 we have here. We have to just get it, copy this. First of all we have to change into our object, then enter B block Windows 1, then move, select and you can move it. F8 off, come in here also we have. But you see that in this is a bigger, so we can use maybe this. In here we can delete this. We can also change this in our object, break Windows 2 and then copy, move. It's also bigger, so we can set the Windows 3 in here, or we can get Windows 3 for example in here. It means 1500 we can set in here. In Windows type of number 4 we can set in here. Okay, so we can draw 1500 in here. So how? Just you have to find your center, M to P, this up to this is your center. Then you have to draw a line, same procedure, just 50 and 100. Then you have to go 750 in here, 750 in here, I'll draw a window. Line 750 this side. Okay, so you can work it by your own self. F8 on, 750 and 750 also we have in this side. Then we have to get our offset 110 in here, cam and select window, and in here also we have to get an offset of 80 centimeter. Then we have to get a match property, source object with this. So we can change this. And also we can delete this. It's type number 4. Then in here also we can set type number 1 in here. Move, cam, F in here we can set it. And then in here also we can set type number 4. Just in here also change it to an object, block. In here give a name, then move. In here you have to get a copy actually, because we should rotate this. Then we have to rotate after this. Now you can get it a move, and you can move it in here. F8 off. In here you have to find your center, and then you can join. Then what we have in here also we can have the type number 3 actually in here also we not just move. We have to get a copy in here also for this. Then in here also we can get a copy, 2 copy in here and in here. Copy, multiple copy. How we can do? Copy and aim enter for multiple copy. All these command already discussed in all the episodes. So one we can set in here. We have to set first of all our center point, M to P. Then this and this is your center, and then you have to copy, aim enter, and then cam. In here you have to set 1, and here you have to set your order. Okay. Then in here is also too big, we have to small this. Okay, how we can do? By a scale size, or we can draw actually other window with less dimension. Then where we have a window, in here also we have a in here also we have to get offset. Here I did an offset in here. In here also we have a window. We can have a we can have this window in here. Copy, and we can copy it F8 off. In here also we consider we have to find the center M to P. Then you have to copy it. Center up to the center we have to get. So, and then in here we have a then in here also we have a two window also in here, and in here is for our kitchen, and in here also this dimension is too much in this part. We have to half this dimension, and in to the window also we need in these two sides for our washroom and for our toilet.